The Joint Action Committee of KHUN, HAJAR, Hima Sohiong and those of Nongwah Mawtamur at a press conference held in the city informed about their demand from the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council for the removal of the Lyngdoh of Hima Sohiong with immediate effect. Speaking to media persons, the chairman of the JSC KHUN, HAJAR, Hima Sohiong, Purning Star Shillong, said that till date the Lyngdoh has not responded to the JAC's demand for a report on the handing over in 2015 of Nongwah Mawtamur to Hima Jirang, which evidently belongs to Hima Sohiong. Further, he added that the demand for the removal of the current Lyngdoh of Hima Sohiong is due to the fact that he does not have any knowledge about his job responsibility and other details related to the Hima. Apart from the stated reasons, Shillong further informed that as per the RTI filed for the period 2010 to 2020, it was reported that there had been misappropriation of funds under the Lyngdohship of the current authority with regards to the collection of citizens' registration fee of Hima Sohiong.
Kum udang syansar trai muluk kapenlong pa yu ba un lilam no ya gawe na ki jaka ka bahe ba kata ya kasnap Nongwah Mawtamur na kata kadaw na kaliang ka Joint Action Committee menta kasni nila pha da ka jingtho sya ka district council ba ka dai ban wen no ya ubasan phang thaba na ka kam Lyngdohship hapo spusngi kini kide ki kane ka dai ka jingdawa ka ba hakmat ka ba na kaliang jongi ni dawa ka bai dai ka dai benta
Kakum betul gajing bat api ajeng today yang ba kanan dari kata dia tak muatan tidak belong
ni kali kata ya kata jong jing long do rei ya kane ruang ngam tip ni kali ya kane kan kata nang dak kendon kembang banrap mane ke kendon ki balak ban long Lyngdoh ki kendon ke ba omla ban long Lyngdoh ki kendon ki balak ban sya weng Lyngdoh ya kini berkhot gong ngau tip hang ni ke jubak ke dalam ni tiktak ki ba nak liang jongi ki KHUN ki HAJAR ki masuk yong dak ke jing ngok bakra sakwai pat ke bentang ke bang ujor hang ni ke dei halau ke jing misuse yang fun jongka Hima